Ever wonder why, despite all the efforts in diet and exercise, weight loss and blood sugar control remain a struggle? Here's something that often goes overlooked when it comes to blood sugar control. The health of your gut. Most people don't realize that poor gut health is closely linked to insulin resistance, which plays a major role in obesity, diabetes, and chronic health issues. Today, we'll uncover exactly how gut health impacts your insulin levels and metabolic health, and whether things like antibiotics or probiotics help or harm. These solutions will change how you think about diet and health forever. Welcome to Levitas. Poor gut health often goes unnoticed, and it shows itself in a variety of symptoms that people might overlook. If you experience frequent bloating, gas, or stomach discomfort, it's a potential sign that your gut microbiome is out of balance. Other common signs include irregular bowel movements, such as constipation or diarrhea, which indicate a lack of gut bacterial diversity. But it's not just about digestion. Poor gut health can also affect your overall well-being. Brain fog, skin issues like acne or eczema, and frequent illnesses are often red flags, as an imbalanced gut impacts immune function and inflammation levels throughout the body. Mood swings or anxiety can also hint at gut health problems. This happens because a large portion of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced in the gut. So, when gut health is compromised, it affects serotonin production, which can influence mood and mental clarity. If you're noticing these symptoms, they might not just be isolated issues, they could be part of a larger picture pointing to poor gut health, which will have major implications for your metabolic health. The gut microbiome directly influences insulin sensitivity and can contribute to insulin resistance when it's out of balance. When harmful bacteria outnumber beneficial strains, this imbalance, or dysbiosis, causes inflammation in the gut lining. This inflammation can lead to leaky gut, where the gut lining weakens and allows particles like toxins and undigested food to enter the bloodstream. These particles trigger an immune response, leading to inflammation throughout the body, including insulin-sensitive tissues like muscles and the liver. Chronic inflammation contributes to insulin resistance as it interferes with how cells respond to insulin. Additionally, an unhealthy gut can reduce the production of short-chain fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining insulin sensitivity. Short-chain fatty acids, produced when beneficial bacteria digest fiber, help regulate glucose and fat metabolism. Without sufficient short-chain fatty acids, the body struggles to manage blood sugar levels effectively, promoting insulin resistance over time. So, the gut microbiome isn't just crucial for digestion, it's a key player in managing insulin response and metabolic health. Antibiotics, while essential for fighting infections, can have a lasting impact on gut health, which in turn can affect insulin sensitivity. Antibiotics don't just target harmful bacteria, they often wipe out beneficial bacteria as well. This broad impact disrupts the balance of the gut microbiome, reducing bacterial diversity and creating an environment where harmful, pro-inflammatory bacteria can dominate. When beneficial strains are reduced, the gut's ability to produce essential short-chain fatty acids also drops, impairing insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Moreover, antibiotic overuse can promote leaky gut, allowing toxins to enter the bloodstream, triggering an inflammatory response that further exacerbates insulin resistance. Studies show that repeated or prolonged antibiotic use is associated with a higher risk of metabolic disorders, including type 2 diabetes, due to the disruption it causes in gut health. This is why antibiotic usage should be carefully managed, and if they are necessary, it's wise to consider probiotics or gut-friendly foods during and afterward, to help restore the gut balance and support metabolic health. Certain bacterial strains have been linked to increased insulin resistance and obesity. High levels of Firmicutes bacteria, for example, are associated with greater calorie absorption, which can lead to weight gain. Additionally, Enterobacteria, often found in cases of gut dysbiosis, produce endotoxins that contribute to inflammation and insulin resistance. These strains disrupt the gut's balance, leading to metabolic changes that promote insulin resistance and fat storage. Managing these bacterial levels through diet and probiotics can be essential in preventing obesity and supporting healthier blood sugar levels. But not all of them are bad guys. What bacteria are linked to improved health? Some bacterial strains actually support weight loss and insulin sensitivity. Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus strains, for instance, promote a healthy gut environment by reducing inflammation and improving gut barrier function. Akkermansia mucinifila is another key strain linked to lower body weight and better metabolic health, as it helps to strengthen the gut lining, reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. These bacteria create a gut environment that supports effective nutrient absorption and metabolic regulation, making them valuable allies for weight management and blood sugar control. Probiotics, when chosen carefully, can significantly improve insulin resistance. Probiotic strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Lactobacillus reuteri, and Bifidobacterium lactis have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity by supporting a balanced gut environment. These strains reduce inflammation in the gut and support the production of short-chain fatty acids, which, as we know, help regulate blood sugar levels. Akkermansia mucinifila is particularly beneficial as it strengthens the gut lining, reduces inflammation, and improves overall metabolic health. Probiotics work by restoring balance to the gut microbiome, making it less hospitable to harmful bacteria that contribute to insulin resistance. They support the production of important metabolites like short-chain fatty acids, which promote better glucose metabolism and reduce inflammation. For best results, consider a probiotic supplement with a variety of these strains, or include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut in your diet, which naturally contain these beneficial bacteria. Consistent use can help restore gut health, thereby reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity over time. Certain foods naturally improve both gut health and insulin sensitivity. Fiber-rich foods like leafy greens, seeds, and cooked legumes are excellent for feeding beneficial gut bacteria, particularly those that produce short-chain fatty acids. Aim for at least 70 grams of fiber per day, which can be spread across meals with foods like lentils, veggies, and flax seeds. These fibers support the growth of bacteria that help maintain insulin sensitivity. Fermented foods, such as kimchi, yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, contain live cultures that introduce beneficial bacteria directly into the gut, strengthening the gut microbiome and supporting metabolic health. Include a serving of these foods daily, such as a cup of yogurt or a few tablespoons of sauerkraut. Prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and unripe bananas also feed beneficial bacteria, enhancing the gut's ability to manage blood sugar levels. Finally, polyphenol-rich foods like berries, extra virgin olive oil, dark chocolate, and green tea help reduce inflammation and support insulin sensitivity. Aim for a balanced diet with a variety of these foods to maximize benefits for both your gut and metabolic health. In conclusion, if you're noticing signs like bloating, irregular bowel movements, or skin issues, they might be clues to poor gut health, which goes far beyond just digestion. Gut health affects every aspect of well-being, from immune function to mental clarity, due to the gut-brain connection. This compromised balance in the gut microbiome can also lead to insulin resistance, a key factor in weight gain and metabolic problems. An unhealthy gut triggers inflammation, which spreads to critical areas like muscles and the liver, impairing their ability to respond to insulin properly. Interestingly, antibiotic use, while helpful for fighting infections, can disrupt this balance, potentially leading to insulin resistance. Antibiotics also reduce beneficial bacteria, weakening gut health, which underscores the importance of cautious usage and gut repair afterward. Certain bacterial strains, such as Firmicutes and Enterobacteria, are linked to increased insulin resistance, while others like Bifidobacterium, Lactobacillus, and Akkermansia promote weight management and metabolic health. Incorporating probiotics with beneficial strains, fiber-rich foods, and fermented foods into your food plan can be extremely transformative. These foods nourish the gut microbiome, support metabolic function, and help restore insulin sensitivity, empowering you to improve both gut and overall health naturally. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.